Hello! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the 8 best high-protein foods that you should include in your diet. Protein is an essential nutrient for muscle building, recovery, and overall health. So, let's dive right in. Starting off our list, we have the mighty chicken breast. It's a lean source of protein and comes with several benefits. First, chicken breast provides the necessary building blocks for muscle growth. But it doesn't stop there. Did you know that chicken breast contains less fat compared to other commonly consumed meats? That's great news for those watching their calorie intake. Now, let's move on to a crucial question: how can you make sure your chicken breast is tender and flavorful? Well, I've got some tips for you. 1. Marinating the chicken can enhance its taste and tenderness. 2. Be cautious not to overcook it, as it can become dry. And finally, consider using a meat thermometer to ensure it reaches the proper internal temperature. Apart from being packed with protein, chicken breast also contains essential nutrients and vitamins that contribute to your overall well-being. It's a good source of vitamins B6 and B12, which are important for energy metabolism and brain function. Now, let's get creative in the kitchen. Chicken breast offers endless possibilities. You can grill it, bake it, stir-fry it, or even make flavorful chicken wraps or salads. The options are truly endless. Next on our list is Greek yogurt. This creamy delight is not only delicious but also a superior source of protein compared to regular yogurt. Greek yogurt undergoes a straining process, removing excess liquid and leaving behind a concentrated protein-rich product. One of the key benefits of Greek yogurt is its positive impact on digestive health. It contains probiotics, which promote a healthy gut microbiome and aid in digestion. Incorporating Greek yogurt into your daily meals and snacks is a tasty and healthy way to support your digestive system. If you have lactose intolerance or dairy allergies, fret not. Greek yogurt is lower in lactose compared to regular yogurt, making it more tolerable for many individuals. However, it's always wise to check with your healthcare provider if you have specific concerns. When it comes to choosing Greek yogurt, remember that protein content and nutritional values can vary among different brands. So, it's a good idea to read the labels and opt for options with higher protein content and minimal added sugars. Eggs, nature's protein powerhouse. These little wonders are a complete protein source, meaning they provide all the essential amino acids our bodies need. Including eggs in your diet contributes to muscle building, post-workout recovery, and overall protein synthesis. Now, let's tackle a common concern: eggs and cholesterol. The latest research suggests that consuming eggs in moderation does not significantly impact blood cholesterol levels for most people. In fact, eggs offer several health benefits beyond their protein content, such as providing essential vitamins and minerals. Looking to spice up your egg routine? There are countless creative and nutritious ways to prepare eggs beyond the traditional methods. Think egg muffins, omelets filled with colorful veggies, or even a delicious frittata. Get adventurous in the kitchen. Lastly, you might have wondered about the difference between white eggs and brown eggs. Well, nutritionally speaking, there isn't a significant difference. The color of the eggshell is primarily determined by the breed of the hen. So, choose the color you prefer and enjoy the protein-packed goodness. Moving on to our plant-based protein champion, lentils. These legumes offer a wealth of protein and come with numerous benefits. Lentils are a valuable source of plant-based protein, and they stack up well when compared to animal proteins. Plus, they're packed with dietary fiber, which supports digestive health and helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. Whether you're following a gluten-free or vegan diet, lentils are a fantastic option. They are naturally gluten-free, and their protein content makes them an excellent substitute for meat in vegetarian and vegan dishes. Now, let's talk about soaking lentils. Soaking them before cooking can help reduce cooking time and improve their digestibility. It also aids in removing anti-nutrients and potential gas-causing compounds. So, give your lentils a good soak, and you'll reap the benefits. Speaking of benefits, the versatility of lentils knows no bounds. From hearty soups and stews to vibrant salads and flavorful curries, lentils can take your protein-rich dishes to the next level. Get creative and experiment with different flavors. Next up, we have a grain-like seed that's been gaining popularity, quinoa. This ancient grain is a standout protein source among other grains because it's considered a complete protein. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a fantastic choice for plant-based protein seekers. Quinoa's impact on blood sugar levels is another notable benefit. It has a low glycemic index, which means it releases energy slowly and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. This makes it particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those striving for balanced energy throughout the day. If you have allergies, quinoa might be your go-to grain. It is gluten-free and safe for consumption by individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivities. Ready to take your taste buds on a journey? Quinoa's versatility shines in the kitchen. You can use it as a base for grain bowls, toss it into salads for added protein, or even create delicious quinoa-based breakfast porridge. And don't forget to rinse your quinoa before cooking to achieve optimal taste and texture. Let's talk about cottage cheese, a creamy delight that stands apart from other dairy products in terms of protein content and nutritional profile. It's a fantastic choice for weight loss and muscle recovery due to its high protein content and relatively low calorie count. If you're looking to cut back on fat or lactose, fear not. There are variations of cottage cheese available, such as low-fat or lactose-free options. Just be aware that the nutritional content may vary slightly among these different varieties. Cottage cheese is not just meant for eating on its own. You can get creative and incorporate it into various recipes. Use it as a creamy spread on toast, mix it into smoothies for added protein, or even use it as a replacement for higher calorie ingredients in recipes like lasagna or dips. Lastly, you might wonder if there's a significant difference between homemade and store-bought cottage cheese. While homemade versions allow you to control the ingredients and customize the flavor, commercially produced cottage cheese can still be a nutritious and convenient option. So, choose what works best for you. Let's crunch our way through the protein-rich world of almonds. These nutrient-dense nuts are not only packed with protein but also contain heart-healthy fats that can help lower cholesterol levels. When enjoying almonds, portion control is key. While they offer numerous health benefits, they are calorie-dense. So, be mindful of your serving sizes to avoid excessive calorie intake. Now, let's get creative with almonds in the kitchen. They can be used in a variety of ways, as a topping for salads, blended into a creamy almond butter, or even crushed and used as a coating for baked chicken or fish. The possibilities are endless, so let your imagination run wild. If you've ever wondered about soaking almonds, here's the scoop. Soaking them before consumption can help enhance their digestibility and potentially improve nutrient absorption. So, give it a try and see if it makes a difference for you. Last but certainly not least, we have tofu, the superhero of plant-based protein. Tofu is a valuable source of protein, especially for individuals following vegetarian or vegan diets. It's made from soybeans and contains all the essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. There have been concerns and misconceptions regarding the hormonal effects of consuming tofu. However, studies suggest that moderate tofu consumption does not have adverse effects on hormone levels. So, tofu lovers can enjoy their protein-packed meals worry-free. Tofu's versatility in the kitchen is truly remarkable. It can be stir-fried, grilled, blended into smoothies, or even crumbled to create a vegan alternative for scrambled eggs. The options are endless, and you're only limited by your imagination. When it comes to tofu, there are different types available, such as silken, soft, firm, and extra firm. Each type has its own texture and nutritional profile, so experiment and find the one that suits your preferences and recipe needs. Before preparing tofu, it's important to know how to achieve the desired texture and flavor. Pressing and marinating tofu can help remove excess water and infuse it with delicious flavors. So, take the time to prepare it properly, and you'll be rewarded with a delightful tofu experience. And that wraps up our journey through the 8 best high-protein foods. From chicken breast to tofu, we've explored a wide range of protein-packed options that can elevate your diet and support your health and fitness goals. Remember, variety is key, so mix and match these foods to create nutritious and delicious meals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy eating.